Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class I am going to explain about new chapter, that is HCF and LCM. Before going to start this explanation, I want to give some basic knowledge related to this chapter. Here first concept is multiple and factor. What is multiple? What is factor? When a number divides another number exactly, means no remainder. When a number divides another number exactly without remainder, then divisor is called factor of dividend. Then dividing number, that is divisor, is called factor of dividend. And dividend is called multiple of divisor. The dividend which we are going to divide, that number is called dividend. That dividend is called multiple of divisor. When you divide exactly, means without remainder, then dividend is called multiple of divisor. Divisor is called factor of multiple, factor of dividend. Example: 10 divides 5 exactly, means without remainder. Here 10 is called multiple of 5, where 5 is called factor of 10. 5 is a factor of 10. Why? It divides, divisor. 5 is exactly divides, so it is divisor. So 5 is factor of 10 and 10 is multiple of 5. 10 is multiple of 5. 5 is factor of 10. Now common factors. Different numbers have same factors, then they are called common factors. If different numbers have same factors, they are called common factors. Example: factors of 10: 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10: 1 table, 2 table, 5 table, 10 table, possible in a 10. So these are the factors of 10. Now factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These numbers divides 12 exactly. So these are called factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 10 given, factors of 12 is given. In this, common factors of 10 and 12, or see what are the common in these two factors. One is common in two, these factors and these factors. What are the common factors here for 10 and 12? One is common factor for 12 and 12, 10 and 12, and 2 also common factor for 10 and 12. Is there any other number? No, only two numbers common factors, 1 and 2. These are called common factors. Okay, next, prime numbers. You know prime numbers. Already you studied in previous classes. Again I am repeating. What is prime number? Number which have only two factors. Two factors means one is factor of any number, and itself a factor. Every number is a factor of itself. So prime number, one is a factor and itself a factor. Only two factors. Any number which have two factors are called numbers which have two factors are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. 2, only it has only two factors. 3, it has only two factors, one and itself. 5, 5 also, it has only two factors, one and itself. 7 also, it has only two factors, one and itself. 11, 13, 17 and 19, such a way. Some numbers have only two factors. One is factor of every number, that, and itself a factor. That means every number is having itself a factor. So one and itself factors, one and itself have numbers, they are called prime numbers. Numbers which have only two factors, one and itself, are called prime numbers. Okay, next, composite numbers. Numbers which have more than two factors. One and itself factors, and other than one and itself there are some other factors. So then they are called composite numbers. Means here more than two factors. Numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Now HCF. In the chapter heading is HCF and LCM. Now I am going to introduce first HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. Just now we studied about common factors. Any numbers, different numbers have same divisors. So same factors. Those are called common factors. Just now previous in last page we have studied about common factors. Numbers, different numbers have same factors. They are called common factors. Now highest common factor means HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. In those common factors, highest one. Now see, factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. Now, common factors of 12 and 18. What are the common factors of 12 and 18? 1 is common factor, 2 is common factor, 3 is common factor, and 6 also common factor. So, remaining are not common factors. Of course, they are factors of each number, but they are not common factor for both. For both, what are the common factors? 1, 2, 3, 6 are common factor for both numbers, 12 and 18. So, in this, highest one is 6. This is called HCF, highest common factor. Out of all common factors, which is the highest one, that is called highest common factor. This is about HCF. Now, there are different methods to find HCF. I am going to explain. In first method, prime factors method, prime factorization method. This method I am going to explain today. See, write prime factors for given numbers. Find the HCF of 32, 48, 96. 32, 48, 96 by using prime factors. This method is called prime factorization method. Now take 32 and divide with prime numbers. Take only prime numbers as divisors and divide. See 2, first take 2. 2 16 are 32. Now again take one more prime number 2. Again 2 possible in 16, 8 times. Again 2, 4 are 8. Again 2 as take as divisor. Now 2 are 4. These are the prime factors. Prime numbers as factors, prime factors. Now here see 48 also divide 2 table. 2 24 jar. Again this 24 2 table. 2 12 jar. Why 2 is prime number, you know. So that is why I am taking prime numbers only factors. Now 2 12 jar 24. 2 6 jar 12. Now 2 3 jar 6. Here 3 also prime number, you know that 3 also prime number, and no other factor for 3. So leave it. So these are the prime numbers, only prime numbers 2 2 2 2 3. Now 96 also divide like that. 2 48 jar, 2 24 jar, 2 12 jar, 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar, 2 48 jar 96, 2 24 jar 48, 2 12 jar 24, 2 6 jar 12, 2 3 jar 6. Now these are the prime factors. Now write prime factors for each one. 32, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 2s are. Now 48, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 48 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now 96 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How many 2's are there here? 5 2's and 1 3. See, these must be prime numbers. So why we are doing? We are doing with prime factorization method, no? So these factors must be only in prime numbers. Should not be in composite numbers. Take factors in this way. With the prime numbers, you divide each one. Continuously divide. 2 6 jar. Again 16 divide with 2 again. 2 divide 8 divide with 2 and 2 4 divide with 2, like that. All factors you write. So in this, when you are taking only prime numbers you take. Don't take composite numbers. Prime numbers only you take and divide. So these are all prime numbers. For each one we have written factors. 32 written factors, 48 written factors, 96 also written as factors. Out of these common ones, see, in all what is common in number? 2 is, first 2 is common in all, so take one time. And second 2 also common in all, take one time. Third 2 also common in all, take one time. Fourth 2 also common in all, take one time. So no other common numbers in all. So 2 is there in this, but not there in this, so don't take. 3 is there in this and in this, second and third numbers, 3 is there. So that should be common for all. So any factor you are taking here, that should be common in all, that number only take as one time. So here 3 is there in this second and third one, but not there in first one, so don't take. 2 is there in the first and third one, so not there in second one. So which is common in all, that only take as one time. And see, 2 one time, 2 one time, 2 one time, 2 one time. 4 2's are common in all, so multiply them. 4 2's, multiply them. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Now 16 is the highest common factor for given numbers. This is the 16 is the highest common factors for given numbers. 16 divides all these numbers, and that is only highest one. Of course there are different numbers. 2 divides and maybe 4 divides, like there are 4 divides, 8 also divides, but out of all common factors 16 is the highest one. That is the meaning. This highest common factor is 16. This is the method to do find the HCF. One more example I will explain. 32 right factors. Take prime numbers and divide to 16 jar. Again take prime number to 8 jar. Again take prime number to 4 jar. Again take prime number to 2 jar. Now here 36 also write in prime numbers, prime factors. 2 18 jar and 2 9 jar and 3. Here 2 table not possible in 9. No. Now take next prime number is 3. 3 3 jar. So next 48 also like that you do. So write now multiples of all outside numbers. So this 32 write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. And 36 write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 48 write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So like that you write first factors. Outside numbers are all multiply and write. Those are the factors. Prime numbers, though they must be in prime numbers. Now written prime numbers factors is written. Now in these factors, which is common in all? In first column, first row, second row, third row. Which is common? First 2 is common, so write one time. Second 2 is common, write one time. Now of course 2 is common in first and third rows, but not there in a second row, so don't take. Now next 3 is common in second and third, so not there in first, so don't take. Next remaining one more 2 is there in first and third, not there in second, so you should not take. Which is there in all, that should be take as factor. Here see, 2 is common in all, and next 2 also common in 3 rows, so take as one time, take one time. And here which is common, if there are any number is common in all rows, then only take one time and multiply here. They will get the multiplication is HCF. Now 4 is the HCF, means highest common factor for 32, 36, 48. Means what? There are some different numbers. 2 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there. These are the factors. And 8 also, some numbers. 4 is there, 1, 1, 2, 4 are common factors. Out of all, highest factor is common factor is 4. That is the meaning of HCF. This is the method to find out HCF. Write prime factors, divide each number into prime numbers, and multiply all factors for each number. Then you will get prime numbers, factors of prime numbers. In that prime numbers, select which is common in all rows, which is common in all factors. So that should be common in 3 factors, 3 rows. Then only take as 1, which is common, that you take as 1. This 2 is common in all, take one time. This 2 is common in all, take one time. Which is common in all, take one time and multiply. You will get HCF finally. You try to do remaining. I will send answer sheets. Thank you.